and welcome once again to your channel Rebecca Foods. If at all you are new here, feel welcome. View my videos, give them a like if you love them, share with your friends on different social media platforms. Mango season, I remember I told you that this season is for mangoes and we better make use of mangoes at this time because you'll find them in plenty, and I told recipes in so many ways. So we are still on mango recipes. I just did mango juice. I did mango smoothies, different flavors. If at all you didn't watch, just go and check. And now today, I want to do mango cake. So apart from other things, just to remind you, I talked of mango recipes such as juices, different flavors of smoothies, different flavors of chicken mango curry, we have beef, we have cakes, we have milkshake, we have ice cream. So mangoes, you can use mangoes in so many ways. So in this channel, Ready Kid Foods, we are on mango season and we are going to do many recipes using mangoes. And guys, today, guess what? Today we are going to do mango cake. So let's go. And it's very, very spongy, mangoes here. And then I have a half cup of sugar. I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I have vanilla. I have a cup of milk. I have baking powder. I have baking soda. I have some butter. And I'm peeling my mangoes as usual. So what you do? Let's have mangoes from here. So guys, I will start with my mangoes. Oil, butter, then sugar. Then I'll mix everything. So guys, blend until super soft. My cake, you have to lubricate it using the oil first. Make sure you lubricate it well. But if you have the parchment paper, it's also fine. You can use the parchment paper. But for me, I'm just going to lubricate. And you can also sprinkle some flour. So the reason why we are doing this, guys, is not to stick. So after that, we are getting back to the paste, and we are going to add in the paste. So make sure you shake it together. I've already preheated my, make sure you preheat your baking place for about 5 minutes before you cook. So now this is where I'm going to put my cake, and I'll make sure I cover it. And we're going to bake it for 30 to 35 minutes. Let's wait. look at it, guys. I'll just try to test it if it's done. No. So I'll just have to give it some little time, guys. So that is the status of my mango cake. Let me just cover it up and let it cook well. This is my mango cake. This is mango blender cake. Thank you so much. Please try it out. It's very spongy, guys. You can see it's very, very spongy. So try it out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's make another video of more mango recipes. So guys, check next. We'll be having mango ice cream. Bye bye. Let's meet in another video. Welcome.